In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Binance to TradingView. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to link your Binance account to TradingView so you can place trades directly from your charts with fewer clicks and more confidence. First, open the chart for the crypto you want to trade. In TradingView, use the search bar at the top to find the exact symbol, then load that chart so you're looking at the market you plan to trade. Make sure you're on the correct pair that matches what you use on Binance, like a spot or derivative symbol, so everything lines up once you connect. Next, look to the top right of your chart and click the Trade button. This opens the trading panel, which is where TradingView lists its supported brokers and exchanges. If you don't immediately see the panel, make sure your chart is in focus and your window is large enough for the right side controls to be visible. The trading panel is your gateway to connecting accounts and sending orders, so keep it open for the next step. Now, in that trading panel, search for Binance and select it. You can use the panel's search field to find Binance quickly. Depending on availability in your region and account type, you may see options that reference different Binance services. Choose the one that matches the account you plan to use. Selecting Binance tells TradingView which provider you want to connect, so your orders are routed correctly. Once you've selected Binance, log in with your Binance account, and you're all set. A secure window will prompt you to authenticate. Always double-check that the login window is legitimate before entering your details, and complete any two-factor prompts you normally use. After you sign in, TradingView will link to Binance, and the panel should show that you're connected. You may see your account status and basic balances reflected in the trading panel, confirming that the connection is active. From here, you can place trades directly on the chart using TradingView's order tickets, and your orders will be executed through your Binance account. If something doesn't look right, such as the panel not updating, simply reopen the trading panel or refresh the chart and verify you selected Binance as your provider. That's all there is to it. Open the chart you want, click Trade at the top right, search for Binance and select it, then log in to connect. Keep your credentials secure, confirm you're on the correct market pair, and enjoy a smoother, chart-driven trading workflow. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you streamline your trading on TradingView with Binance.